Hi lovelies and welcome to the Witch's Cookery. Today we're doing it, we're trendy, we're jumping on the that girl trend. My name is Bex and today I will be telling you more about the hashtag hotwitchsummer or being that girl but with a witchy twist. If you live on social media, guilty! Are a TikTok addict or just in general scrolling through the videos right now as you should be working, you might already have heard of the hashtag hotgirlsummer or the that girl routine or being that girl, how to be that girl. So today we're taking this entire concept of being that girl and giving it a witchy twist. Now for my part, I will be definitely having a hashtag hotgirlsummer, mainly because I live in a country where air conditioning is completely unheard of. But in case you haven't heard about it, I'll quickly summarize it for you so you don't have to scroll through endless and endless videos of people drinking green smoothies, making a very aesthetically pleasing oat coffee, or doing grocery shopping in their yoga gear. Thank me later. Now in this video I'll be saying a lot of that girl or hot girl summer. Obviously it doesn't matter if you're a girl, guy, other or swamp witch, this all can apply to anyone regardless of gender. Becoming that girl or being that girl, basically it just entails being the best version of yourself. That means waking up early, getting a little yoga routine in or a sports routine, making a very lovely healthy breakfast, buying organic food, journaling, meditating, whatever. It can look different obviously for everyone, but that is like the general gist. It's basically someone that has all their ducks in a row. I completely support everyone that wants to do that because obviously these are great lifestyle choices. I do find it a tiny bit exhausting, but don't worry, I figured that yes, you, I'm talking to you, and me could do a little challenge this summer. Because I feel like in the summer people are often off work or they have a little bit more time. And why not use that time for some self-care, for some self-love and for some self-improvement. I'll be starting a challenge over on Instagram under the hashtag hotwitchsummer, just as a little guide to being that girl with a witchy twist to improve your life in a very wholesome, holistic way. Body, mind, spirituality. So why not work together on our goals? And these goals can obviously vary widely from person to person. Maybe you just wanna be more confident in your witchcraft practice, or you wanna kind of establish a witchcraft routine. Maybe you really wanna work on health and weight loss, even though I have to say, in case you clicked on this video in order to see how to witch your way through a workout, I'm sorry, child. Are you lost? Do you want a cookie from my gingerbread house? Sports is not something that we do here regularly. But if you are doing it, great, grand. If you want to step up your game in kitchen witchery, your mental health or your self-love, if you want to learn how to actually meditate, or if you maybe want to manifest something during this summer for the end of summer, improvements in your life, come and join, check out my Instagram profile and follow along. But how does it work? How are we becoming that girl, that witch this summer? How are we having our magical glow up? Now obviously this is a change in lifestyle. There are new habits that I want to plant and implement. So I figured the best time to doing that for me personally is the new moon, because I just feel it carries all those energies and the potential for growth and the potential for new things blooming and blossoming. So I will start this challenge off on Saturday with a little ritual. Obviously, if you're watching this video after or there's no new moon in the next coming 2-3 weeks, don't worry. I feel if you really want to change, you can always start immediately. If you have the motivation now, start now. That's the best thing you can do. I first want to cleanse any kind of stagnant energies, anything that is holding me back. And I'm a big fan of bath rituals, especially now that my bathtub looks so magical. So I'll be taking an Epsom salt bath for those cleansing energies. I'm just gonna have a little meditation in the water, feeling the water flow around me. So I will visualize how the water is washing away all that stagnant energy and at the same time teaching me how to go with the flow, not putting too much pressure on that entire endeavor, but just see what works and what doesn't. After this bath, I will take a piece of paper and I will write down how I would like to feel. I am feeling so healthy in my body, so happy and content with my life. I am confident with my personality and my body. You know, all those kind of like positive affirmations, and then we're gonna see how we can achieve them in the next step. Maybe through self-love spells, self-care rituals, maybe through eating a healthier diet, maybe through exercising, maybe through living mindfully, listening to your own emotions. And then I'm just gonna fold it up and put it in an envelope and write a date on it, which will be 21 days later. They say it takes 21 days to implement new habits. I guess it varies from person to person. I don't think everything will stick, but if even one or two things of my entire new That Girl routine stick, I will be super happy. So starting from next Saturday, I will be posting on Instagram different inspirations and my daily schedule for that glow up, for that girl routine. So there are 6 categories to this Hot Witch Summer Challenge. The first one is something for your inner witch, for your hot witch. It might be a little spell or a ritual idea or a oracle or tarot card read. The next category is the Be Happy category, where I will just share my ideas, what I do to bring happiness in my life. And it can be like sitting down and reading a book, doing a childhood activity that I really liked, treating myself to a fun activity, maybe even just a cup of coffee in the city. Then we have the Be Mindful category, where we talk about meditation, mindfulness exercises, grounding. Then we have the Be Healthy category that involves any kind of sports or yoga or walks, maybe some cool hikes to some mystical places, some lovely kitchen witch recipes, and I will actually make them plant-based because I want to have one plant-based meal a day. And personally, I chose to eat no refined sugar and drink no alcohol during that entire 21 days. Then we have the Personal Development category that involves everything like shadow work prompts, journaling prompts, scripting prompts, manifesting, and last but not least we have the Share the Love category, because I feel like caring for others, for other people, for animals, for the environment also makes you happy. Now if you want to work on one of those categories, or maybe all of them too, if you want to get healthier, if you want to work on your personal development, if you want to manifest something into your life, if you want to work on self-love, if you want to work on learning how to meditate, come and join me over on Instagram. I would love if you could also share your ideas or what you want to work on, and let's see if we can power through those 21 days and if we will indeed become that girl or that guy or that witch.